Test, test. All right, good morning. Welcome, everybody. Glad to see everybody here. I apologize, I usually walk around when I talk, but I'm recording this session, so everything you say will be recorded, and I need to stay here so that the camera can see me. So I'm going to be locked behind this podium, but welcome to WSU. Welcome to Summer Undergraduate Research here in Pullman, Washington. We also have quite a few folks on the remote connections, and we'll get to them when we do introductions. They're also doing research as part of this program, but they're not physically here in Pullman. So they'll be joining us for the summer virtually. I want to introduce Abhishek. Come on up here and put your face in front of the camera. Abhishek is helping out this summer in the Office of Undergraduate Research. Tell them a little bit about what you are.
Hi, I am a currently master's student in computer science, non-thesis, and that's pretty much it.
Thank you. So you'll be getting a lot of communications and you know, Facebook stuff, emails, everything like that from Abhishek. So most of the communication will come from an email called ug.research@WSU. So you'll see those. So I am Shelley Presley. I'm the Director of Undergraduate Research here at Washington State University. I'm also a research faculty in the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department and do research related to air quality and climate change. So I run a couple programs myself. So some of the students here will recognize me as their program coordinator for the atmospheric chemistry or the NARA SURE program. But I also coordinate with all the programs across WSU. And that's why we're all here this morning to meet and get to know each other. Everybody remote, you still good? Ping me if you can't hear, okay? All right, so what are you doing this summer? And I just realized I might have grabbed the wrong, I did. All right, hold on, back up. I grabbed the wrong PowerPoint. Yes, let's try this again. There we go. Orientation, not summer. There we go. All right. Share screen. Getting to be a pro at this Zoom thing. There we go. Summer Undergraduate Research. Let's try this one. Apologies for that. All right, so today we're going to go over the introductions about who's here, what kind of programs we've got running this summer. We're also going to talk a little bit about expectations for you as a researcher. We'll talk a little bit about housekeeping and communications. We're also going to take a group photo towards the end, and then there'll be a time for each group to meet with their individual program coordinators if they are here and want to do that. So you guys are all part of a program, more or less. Some of you may be doing individual research with a PI or a principal investigator. I'll use the word PI to recognize a faculty member that is working with students doing research. But as you can see from this list, we've got quite a wide range of research programs this summer. Everything from atmospheric chemistry to bioplastics, disease diagnostics, gerontechnology, plant genomics, climate change and ag, you name it, we're doing it. So you'll hear the names of these programs. You know, I'll call this the Bioplastics Biocomposites Center. I call them the CB2 program. So it's kind of all the students that are doing research on that program are CB2 students in my world. But you're part of one of these programs, or you're, like I said, doing individual research with a particular faculty member here at WSU. But every one of you are here to do research, and I encourage you to take advantage of this networking opportunity to learn more about other research that's going on campus. So talk to your roommates, talk to your floor mates, and find out what they're doing research-wise, and how is that similar or different to what you're doing research-wise. As I said, we also have students working in chemistry, School of Biological Sciences that are not really part of one of these programs, but they're individual mentored with faculty. So, and you guys come from a lot of different places. So here is a shot of where everybody is from. And if you don't see your logo up there, let me know after the session, because I think we got them all. Hopefully we got them all. But we come from all over. I think Jake might get the award for coming from the farthest. He's from Guam. If anyone can beat that, let me know. Excuse me. So at this point, I would like to ask that you guys introduce yourselves. And we've got about 60 people here in the room, so we're gonna go through this rather quickly. But I would like for you to stand up, first of all, try to project your voice. For those of you remotely, the only microphone is right here on my lapel. So if you could stand up and try to project your voice a little bit, those people might be able to hear us. And we're going to start with some of those remote folks, first of all. So I'm going to start with students that are here participating. So all the students, introduce yourselves, and then we'll move on to staff and faculty that are here supporting the program. So Vic, if you guys in Iowa could start us off. These are the four up here. So I can go to gallery view, right?
Okay, well, why don't you start?
I'm Sam. I'm actually from Wazoo. We'll be there on June 4th.
Louder.
My name's Sam. I'm going to be a senior at Wazoo, and we will be joining you guys June 4th.
My name's Jose Velasco, but I go by Jay. I'm from the University of Tennessee, Knoxville.
I'm going to be a senior. My name's Andrew. I'm going to be a senior at Grand Valley State University in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I'll be researching at bioplastics.
My name's Christina. I'm from NC State University, and I'll be a senior.
Great, thank you. So these folks are part of the CB2 program. They are in Iowa, and they will be traveling here on June 4th to join up with you guys. Okay, Taylor, you're up. Nope. How do I do that?
I'm Taylor Enns. I will be a freshman at Pierce Community College this fall.
And where are you right now, Taylor?
I'm in Puyallup.
Can you tell people where that is in case they aren't familiar with Washington State?
It's near Seattle, probably about an hour south of Seattle.
Great, thank you. And is there a research station there?
Yes, I'm at the Research Extension Center here.
Awesome. So you're part of the food systems program, correct?
Yes.
Great. Okay. Amy, you're up.
All right. Hi, everyone. My name is Amy Johnson. I am at the Mount Vernon Research Center, which is about an hour north of Seattle. I will be working with fermentation and cider, and I am graduating from Everett Community College next month and will be going to Western Washington next fall.
Great, thank you. Brianna, are you a student?
No, I'm Amy's mentor, but I'm at Mount Vernon in Everett.
Okay, so where are you from?
I'm working at the Mount Vernon Research Center and then also at WSU Everett.
Okay, great, thank you. And Tom, we'll wait for you when we get to faculty. Okay, anyone else remote, virtual that I don't see on here? Did we get all the virtual presenters or participants? Okay, now we're into the room. So this is where you guys get to stand up, shout your name, tell us where you're from, and if you want to tell us which program you're in, that would be great too. So let's start in the back, if you don't mind. Thanks, Brittany. Thanks. All right. I think the two gentlemen, you guys are next. Which program are you in? Disease diagnostics? That's what I call a short version of it. Welcome. All right. Smart Environments. Sunny, welcome.
I'm
Engineering Technology.
I'm Evan. I'm from Marist. I'm in the Summer Undergraduate Research.
So for those of you that might not have picked up, Geron Technology, also known as GSUR, Geron Technology Summer Undergraduate Research, GSUR. So you guys got to get up with the lingo so you know which program people are talking about. Okay.
Hey, Shelley.
Yes,
Shelley, just to let you know, we can't hear anybody, but I understand you have only one microphone.
Yeah. I'll try and walk closer and see if that helps. Okay. All right. Next row.
I'm from Harvard, and I'm doing chemistry at
Welcome.
I'm also Evan, and I'm part of the Disease and Diagnostics program.
I'm Max, and I'm working with the PI here. I'm from WSU, and I'm working with the PI here.
In what department?
Molecular plant biology.
Great.
I'm Jake. I'm working in smart environments. I'm from Pitzer College.
Pitzer?
Yeah.
Where's that?
Claremont, California.
Oh, never heard of that one.
Hey, I'm Aiden. I'm working with one of the smaller PI. Oh, I'm from WSU, and I'm working with one of the smaller PIs on biochars.
Hi, I'm Paige. I'm from Wazoo, and I'm the coordinator for the disease diagnostics.
Page forward.
Leah Fisher from Wichita State University, Disease Diagnostics.
Nice. I love it. Since I'm here, let's go with you. Is that better, Vic?
Yes, it is. Much better. Thank you, Shelley.
Good.
Hi, I'm Samantha. I'm from the College of Worcester, and I'm in the Disease Diagnostics program.
Hi, I'm Isabel. I'm from the University of Idaho, and I'm with the REACH program.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Noah Leibniz. I'm from University of Puget Sound, and I'm in the NARA program.
Hey, Noah.
I'm Darby. I'm from WSU, and I'm in the Disease Diagnostics program.
Welcome.
Hi, I'm Christina. I'm from Emory University, and I'm in the LARU program.
Hi, I'm Anna Fierk. I'm from UMBC, and I'm also in the LAR program.
So what does LAR stand for, you guys?
Atmospheric chemistry, well, specifically Laboratory of Atmospheric Research, but
good job.
Also atmospheric chemistry.
You passed the first test for the summer.
Okay, I'm Cassidy. I'm from WSU, and I'm working with PI Dr. Marin Fusion in the area of plant pathology.
I'm Jill. I'm from Rochester Institute of Technology, and I'm in the LAR program.
Welcome, Jill.
I'm Monica. I'm from WSU, and I'm in the Disease Diagnostic program.
Thank you. All right.
My name's Rafi. I'm a sophomore at Vassar College, and I'm in the Smart Environments program.
Hi, my name's Jordan. I'm from Kansas State University, and I'm working in the Smart Environments program.
Hi, everyone. I'm Elizabeth. I'm from Texas Tech University, and I'm working on the Disease and Diagnostics program.
Hello, guys. I'm Matthew Burrows. I'm from North Carolina State University, and I'm also in the Disease Diagnostics program.
Hi, I'm Caroline Rubline. I'm from Lock Haven University in Pennsylvania, and I'm in the Smart Environments RU.
I'm Atsuyo. I'm from Binghamton University, and I'm in the Smart Environment program.
Hi, everyone. I'm Paola. I'm from St. John's University, and I'm the Native American RU.
Do you know, will you be in the plant horticulture lab, or you don't know yet?
Hi, everyone. My name is Arani. I'm from Portland State University. I'm going to be working with a PI, Dr. Dowd, on physiology and behavioral research.
Hello, I'm Maria, and I'm from Arizona State University, and I'm going to be working in the Disease Diagnostics program.
Hello, I'm Katie Levita. I'm going to be working with food systems, specifically food processing, and I'm from Virginia Tech.
Hello, my name's Terrell Robertson. I'm from Morehouse College, and I'm working with Disease and Diagnostics.
Hello, everyone. I'm Kaylee Johnson. I go by KD. I'm from University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff, and I'm going to be working with the NARA SURE program.
She got in after midnight last night. I'm glad you're here.
Hi, I'm Lucia, and I'm from the University of Central Florida, and I'm in the Smart Environments RU.
Hello, my name is Kennedy Weston, and I will be participating in the NARA SURE program.
Tell them where you're from. Oh, I also go to the University of Arkansas at Pine Bluff.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Yulia. I'm from California State University Channel Islands, and I'm going to be in the Smart Environments program.
Hello, everyone. I'm Brendalise Camacho, and I'm from Rochester Institute of Technology. I'll be working with the individual PI, Dr. Eric Crespi, on rhinovirus. Sorry.
Hi, I'm Alex Schmees, and I'll be working in the atmospheric chemistry program. And I'm from Minnesota, University of Minnesota.
And he's really tall, too.
I'm Nicole June. I'm from Penn State University, and I'm going to be working in the LAR program.
Welcome.
Hi, I'm Moira Duya. I'm from New York University. I'm in the NARA program.
Hi, I'm Lasada Shrestha from Troy University, and I'm working for the Food Systems program.
Hi, I'm Gus Kendrick. I'm from WSU, and I'm in the soil microbiology and horticulture.
Welcome. I'm going to grab you guys back here. Sorry.
My name is Jason Conchi. I'm from Gonzaga University, and I'm going to be in the GSER program.
Hi, my name is Tino. I'm working with a PI in the School of Biological Sciences, and I'm from here.
Great. Okay.
Hi, I'm Ben, and I'm from Penn State University, and I'm going to be in the LAR program.
Hi, I'm Tommy, and I'm from WSU, and I'm working with my PI in the plant pathology department.
Who's your PI?
Dr. Maren Friesen.
Hi, I'm Dalen. I'm from WSU and working on the GSER program.
Keep you guys on your toes.
Sorry, I'm Amanda. I go here and I'm working with my PI in the plant pathology department, and it's also Maren Friesen.
Hi, I'm Autumn Miller. I go here also, and I'm working with my PI, Dr. Dowd, in the Marine Environmental Physiology program.
Hi, I'm Lily Nguyen. I go to Cal State LA, and I'm also doing an individual program with Dr. Akita in the Biological Sciences department.
Hi, I'm Saul Del Peña. I'm also from Cal State LA, and I'm working under Dr. Akita in biological science.
Hi, I'm Hilary Zuniga. I am from here, Pullman, Washington, WSU, and I will be working with the School of Biological Sciences with Dr. Watts, looking at bird migration.
Hi, my name is Angel Rivera, and I'm part of the Plant Genomic and Biotech Lab with Dr. Doringa.
Where are you from?
Owazu.
Hello, everyone. Oh, shoot, that was loud. My name is Guillermo Navarro, but I go by William. It's a lot easier to pronounce, or Willie, or Will, or whatever you want to call it. Just don't have any bad Virginia. But I go to here, Washington State University, and what else is I supposed to? What program are you in? Oh yeah, I'm in School of Biological Sciences with Dr. Watts.
Hi everyone, I'm Kina Gonis. I go to University of Hawaii, and I'm in muscle biology and physiology.
Hi, I'm Zach. I go to Boise State, and I'm in the Native Undergraduate program.
Ayukui Neknau Paula Turp Mate Mate Chalk. Hello everybody, my name is Paula. I grew up near the village of Turrup, which is in California, and currently I go to University of Idaho studying dietetics, and I'm in the Native American RU program.
All right. Student? Student? No. Did I miss any other students?
Hi, I'm Riley. I go to WSU, and I'm in the REACH program.
Thanks. Okay, faculty, you guys have to come down here. Staff, faculty, come on down here so that everybody can see you too, since there aren't as many of you. But we'll start with Tom. Are you there on, excuse me, Dr. Okita, are you online? Can you introduce yourself?
So I'm Tom Okita. I'm a Regents Professor in the Institute of Biological Chemistry, and I'm hosting 2 undergraduates from Cal State LA this summer.
Thank you. Katie, Ashley, come on down. You too.
Hi, I'm Larry Holder. I'm a professor in computer science, and I'm a director of the Smart Environment RU.
What school are you from? Just kidding.
This one.
Over here, Jason. You got to be on the. You got to get on the camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jason Miner. I'm from WSU. I work as staff directing the GSER program.
My name is Aaron Crandall. I'm one of the faculty here in computer science, and I'm the PI for the GSER program, and the person you'll probably run into the most during everything outside of Jason.
I'm Katie Riley. I'm a graduate student here, and I'm going to be helping Shelley to evaluate the LAR-RU program. So if you're in the LAR program, you're going to be seeing me a lot.
Hi, and I am Ashley Vaughn. I'm also a graduate student here at WSU in educational psychology, doing kind of the same thing as Katie, only I'll be working more closely with the Norris students.
Thank you. All right, did we miss anybody? All right, thank you, everybody. Well, good idea, Vic. I'm glad we did that so you guys could hear.
Shelley, can you hear me?
Yes, who is this? Oh,
Doug Collins.
Taylor.
Hi, I'm here in Puyallup with Taylor. Doug Collins, I'm the PI on the REEU High Value Horticulture and Food Safety Project, or the Food Systems Project, and I will be mentoring Taylor. I'm extension faculty with WSU and work in soil science.
Great. So even though it says you're Taylor, that's Doug, okay? Thanks, Doug.
Yeah. Oh, and then Bree's also online. She introduced herself. She's another PI on our project.
Okay, great. Yeah, we can't see her. She doesn't have her camera on. We'd like to see what you look like, Bree, but that's okay. All right. So as you can see, there's a lot of us. We're from a lot of different places, and we're all doing different kinds of research. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty exciting. Get to know each other and talk to each other and use this opportunity to network. So why did you guys decide to come here? I know everybody decided Pullman was the place to see this summer, so they signed up for the program, right? I actually know a graduate student that applied to WSU because she liked lentils so much. And since we have so many lentils here, that's why she picked WSU, and I'm not kidding. We have a lentil festival. I mean, where else can you go that there's a lentil festival? Unfortunately, it's after you guys will leave, but you could come back. It's like August 18th or something. I don't remember when it is. Okay, so here's why I hope you signed up for research this summer, right? Because you wanted to get some experience. You wanted to put something on your resume that looked good so it could help you get a job or get you into graduate school. Maybe you're interested in making a difference in the world, right? I mean, some of the research that we're doing, climate change really contributes to our environment and the health of our world. You know, can we breathe clean air? That's one of the important aspects of why I do research in air quality and climate change, because it's important. Or you want to find a cure for cancer, or you want to figure out the next, vector that affects malaria and in mosquitoes. Whatever it might be something that you're passionate about and you want to make a difference in the world. So that can be a great motivation for doing research. As I mentioned, graduate school, hopefully some of you are thinking about it. If you're not, maybe you will be after this summer, because if you experience what research is like, you're going to really get a good handle on what grad school is like. And so this is a great way to test out your career in graduate school. After the summer, you might honestly decide, you know what, that was fun, it was a good experience, but I'm not cut out to do research, and that's okay too. And that might help you decide that you want to get a job instead of going into graduate school. Both of those decisions are perfectly fine. This is a great way to make a small investment of your time. It's 9 weeks of your life, and it can tell you a lot about what you want to do next with career choices. So you're going to be working with graduate students and faculty a lot this summer. Take that opportunity to ask them, what's it like to do research? What's it like to be a grad student? What are classes like? How are they different than undergraduate classes? Take the opportunity to talk to them and ask those kinds of questions. You're going to interact with faculty a lot this summer as well. And these are faculty that hopefully at the end of the summer will be able to write a really strong letter of recommendation for you, right? They're going to be able to speak highly about the skills that you learned this summer, about your abilities, your motivation, your creativeness, your inquisitiveness, all of those skills and attributes that are going to help you next steps. And so take the time to get to know your faculty mentor and get to know who they are so that they know who you are and can help you with those letters of recommendation down the road. Some of you might have the opportunity to travel either for field work during the summer or to go to a meeting and present your research after the summer is over. We're going to get a small dose of the presentation experience at the end of the summer. You're going to get to present a poster, but that might be a stepping point for a conference or a meeting somewhere down the road. And so be thinking about that. You know, could I go and present this research at a conference in the fall or in the spring? Many of the projects or the programs that you're part of have the funding to support that. So think about that. And that's where you can also meet leaders in the field in that research area that are outside of WSU. Are there any other reasons why you signed up that aren't listed here? Anybody else come for any other reasons? Yeah. She said this is as far away from her home as she could get besides going to Hawaii. That's a great reason. Get out of the house, right? You're also making money this summer. These are very competitive programs that you've been admitted into, and the stipends can be quite nice. So that's also, you know, to today's economy, that's one of the things. So PIs, anyone want to chime in on why they involve research, you know, undergrads in their research programs? I'm looking at you three back there.
Trying to create environments, deploy sensors, and learn patterns of behavior in those environments, and then take action to improve things. And so most of my research is in AI and machine learning. And I guess I got into research way back when I got my first computer, and I was just fascinated with trying to make it learn on its own. And so I guess hopefully you'll get excited about a problem, and you know, usually that means you need to go to grad school and do research to solve it. So,
thank you. Aaron, you want to say anything?
So one of the things that we've discovered over the years with our work with Geron Technology and AI and smart homes is that a lot of people who come, especially undergrads, have made some significant contributions to our work. We have a lot of different ideas and things that need to be explored. And what we found is that the people who come in, fresh perspectives, learn a lot, get some things done, really teach us a lot about what we can and can't accomplish. And then all too often they stick around, either here or go to another program, because we're trying to further the field as a whole. And we look forward to working with you and having you on board in the long run, if at all possible.
Thank you. Vic or Tom or Doug, do you have any things to add?
Yeah, this is Vic. What excites me is actually working with the youth, I think, and it also rejuvenates you and you know, helps you to understand why we're in this field of teaching students and working with renewable materials. I think that's the future. So that's why I'm in this.
Doug or Tom, anything?
I'm having trouble here. Whoa.
We can hear you now, Doug.
Oh, you can hear me? All right.
Yeah.
I can't see it anymore, but I assume it's working.
Yep.
Yeah, I really enjoy mentoring undergraduates and graduate students. One thing that comes to mind, I would say, is when I was an undergraduate, I was able to do an undergraduate research project, and I think that had a huge influence on my career as a scientist. So being able to provide that opportunity for people is enjoyable, and I've mentored several undergraduates and seen them go on to graduate school and other exciting careers, so it's very rewarding.
Great, thanks. Go ahead, Tom.
So I basically am an alumnus of Cal State LA from a big city, and being a faculty member here at WSU for the last 30 years or so, that it's a new opportunity and mind openness in terms of being in a more rural area, and also exposing them to more agricultural type research per se. I mean, even though my laboratory is devoted for basic plant biology and biochemistry, we do have direct applications for improving overall agriculture. So it gives these students from inner city, from big city, an opportunity to learn and expand their knowledge in terms of overall plant biology.
Great, thank you. I just want to echo sort of what Doug said. I did one of these programs, I did an REU program when I was in your shoes. I got a chance to go to University of Maine up in Orono, and one of the best summers of my life. It was just amazing, the doors that were opened and the experience I had. I'm still really good friends with the roommate that I had, and she was from Lehigh and I was from Carnegie Mellon, and we didn't know each other at the beginning of day one, but by the end of that 9 weeks, we knew each other pretty well. And it was a wonderful opportunity. It really helped me decide that I wanted to go on to graduate school, and gave me the confidence that I knew I could go on to graduate school after doing that summer research experience. It also helped me decide that I didn't want to do my research in structural engineering, which is what my REU program was in, and that's why I switched to environmental. So it was a really helpful experience for me for a lot of reasons. And that's partly why I'm here today running these programs, because I want other people to have the opportunity that I had. So when we talk about undergraduate research, the Council for Undergraduate Research identifies 4 main components, and you guys are going to be you're going to experience all 4 of these this summer. You're going to be mentored by a whole team of people, probably, not just faculty, but maybe graduate students, other undergrads, postdocs, things like that. You're going to be doing original research. This has never been done before. There's going to be bumps in the roads. It's going to be things that might work or might not work. You're going to have to try different things to get it to work. It's never been done before. You're the first one doing it. If we knew what the answer was, we wouldn't be doing it. So it's not like the problem set that you do in the back of your homework book where there's an answer and the answer has already been figured out. It's not like that. It's very different and can be challenging at times. So don't let that discourage you. That's where the challenge is fun and exciting, and the joy of discovery is exciting. You're going to be using techniques that are acceptable in your discipline, and that's where your mentor comes in. They're going to help you identify, well, this might be a best way to measure this or to test this theory. They're going to give you some of those techniques that are useful. And then lastly, at the end of the summer, you're going to have a chance to share with everybody in the room, plus a whole lot more people, what you did this summer. You're going to have an opportunity to present a poster. It's going to be right out there in the atrium, same place where we met this morning. And you're going to talk about your research to a broad range of people. You're going to talk to your research with your mentor, that they know the research like the back of their hand. But you're also going to have to present your research to people that don't know anything about what you did this summer. We've often had deans, provosts, president, wife, everyone in between has come to this symposium. And so it's a great opportunity for you to share what you did at WSU with the WSU community as well as with your peers. It'll be a lot of fun. Along the way, while you're doing research, we've got some other things that you get to do this summer. You're going to be living and learning and researching with peers, collaborators, grad students. You're going to have a network of friends. Just the ones in your house or the ones in your lab can all be part of that network of professional associates that you develop while you're here. You're going to get to try out grad school. There's other programs going on, get to know them, learn about the research. And like I said, many doors can be opened through this program. You just have to take the choice to walk through those doors and take advantage of those open doors. Some other programs throughout the summer, we're going to have brown bag lunches every Thursday. Every Thursday at noon, bring your own lunch. This is a chance for you to meet and talk with faculty members, postdocs, etc., that are here on campus. Our first one next Thursday, a week from today, is Dr. Eva Tooze. She's in the biosystems engineering or materials project, material science program. And she is a postdoc here, but she has been working at Pacific Northwest National Labs, PNNL, as we call it PNNL. It's down in Tri-Cities. She's been working down at PNNL for the last 10 years. So she's come from a government lab and is now in academics. So it's a great person to talk to about what is a government lab, what's research like at a national lab. So that will be next Thursday. We're going to have presentations on graduate school. How do you apply? How do you decide what grad school might be a good choice for you? The graduate school will be hosting that. We're going to have workshops on how to write an abstract, how to make a poster. And then again on August 3rd, we'll have the Summer Poster Research Symposium. So these brown bag luncheons, like I said, bring a lunch, meet PIs from different programs, and learn about their research as well as their career path. So why did you choose to go into academics? Did you have a job before you got into teaching? Why do you like teaching versus working in industry? These are good questions to ask faculty members that you meet during these brown bags. And we'll have the full list of speakers posted on our website as soon as it's finalized. There's also fun things to do while you're here in Pullman. I'm sure in all the other places there's fun things as well. Demolition Derby in Lind, you can't miss that, June 8th to 10th. We have a great rendezvous in the park. It's a music festival over in Moscow, Idaho. Moscow, Idaho is about 8 miles across the border, and it's a great little city. Has a farmer's market every Saturday from 8 to 1. Highly encourage you to get over to Moscow and check that out. There's lots of nice places to eat. There's a Moscow food co-op over there. Great place. I live in Moscow and I'm kind of partial to Moscow, so definitely enjoy spending some time over there. For those of you that don't have cars, find a buddy that does. Or you can get a bike. You can ride your bike. There's a great trail that goes between Moscow and Pullman. It's about a 10-mile bike ride. It's a lot of fun. There's also zip cars. There's other ways to get around. So be creative. We have whitewater rafting trips. You can check those out through the Outdoor Rec Center, the ORC. So there's lots of things to do here in Pullman, sorry. Another option for blowing off steam, getting out of the lab a little bit. Think about getting involved at the Student Rec Center. We have a really nice facility up there for swimming, racquetball, basketball, indoor track, weightlifting, aerobics, you name it, they've got it. So the rec center is an option. Great place to burn off some steam and get some exercise. All right, we're going to move or transition into the housekeeping, literally housekeeping. Most of you in here are living at one of two houses this summer. There's the Sigma Nu house and the PKT, Phi Kappa Theta house. And so both of these houses are full of students. There is no fraternity members at these houses. It's just summer researchers for the summer. Hopefully everybody got checked in and moved in okay, or is in the process of getting checked in and moved in. But I want you to attend the house meeting. If you're at one of these houses, there's a house meeting tonight at that house at 6 p.m. So that is when the live-in advisor, it's either Justin or Kyle, will, I'm sorry, Donovan, not Kyle. Kyle or Donovan, right? Yeah. They will go over the rules of the house, complete any other check-in paperwork that they might have, make sure that everyone's got what they need, talk about how the kitchen works, how do you not plug up the garbage disposal and break things like that, which has happened. And believe me, the kitchen gets really stinky when the garbage disposal breaks, so don't break the garbage disposal. There's other issues around living in the houses that they'll cover. In particular, and most importantly, no alcohol, no drugs. Even though marijuana is legal in Washington, no marijuana in the houses. So you need to follow these rules. If there's any problems with these, you will be evicted. You will be kicked out of the house. You're welcome to stay in the program and keep doing research, but you'll have to find housing on your own. We will not cover that, and we will not be responsible for that. So you must follow the house rules. And if you have any issues or problems with those rules, come see me and we can talk. But basically you're in a group living environment, and so it's important that you respect each other's privacy, respect each other's beliefs or wishes or needs. Keep it clean, keep it a great place and fun place to live, because it really can be fun if everybody is pulling their fair share of the weight of the work, and and keeping things running in an orderly fashion. So if problems do arise, I really hope they don't, but if problems do arise, go to the live-in advisor first. That's your first point of contact. See if you can work things out. If you're still having issues, contact me and we'll work out, we'll negotiate something and figure out what to do, okay? So when's the house meeting? Tonight at 6. So, and it's just in the common living area. So head down to the common living area. And then there's going to be also some surveys that I will be distributing to students. Your PIs will be probably hitting you with some surveys. Please take the time to do those. It really helps us get feedback on how the program is running and what things need to be fixed or modified to keep the program going smoothly. So I saw a few other people sneak in. Nahal, you want to come down here and introduce yourself? And you have to come down here so you can use the microphone. And Dr. Tanner, are you there? Can you unmute and introduce yourself?
Yeah, do you want me to right now?
Yep, go for it.
Hi, I'm Bert Tanner. I work in integrative physiology and neuroscience, and we've got some RU work going on with muscle biophysics and biochemistry this summer. I've participated in the RU program for 2 or 3 summers now, and I really just think it's a great opportunity, as Shelley mentioned, for you guys to get involved and to learn about what some of your peers are interested in and to see all the different types of science that might be going on, because you might find something that you absolutely love that's different from what you're doing. And just as Shelley mentioned, that's just as important about learning what you don't want to do versus learning what you do want to do, so you can start to put the right career path towards your goals. So I look forward to meeting more with whoever I meet with of all of you, and then seeing your posters over the year and at the end of the 8 weeks. So welcome to Pullman, and thank you for coming.
Thanks. Good morning, everyone. I'm Nihal Apolel, Associate Professor of Chemical Engineering and Bioengineering, and I'm the PI leading the REU site for engineering tools for disease diagnosis and treatment, our long one. You can call it engineering tools for simplicity. That's what last year's cohort came to realize, like we can't keep saying the long name. So the tools, we are the tools. So, please come after we finish here and meet me up in the lobby and outside here in the atrium, and we will all together with Paige, our REU assistant, head back to Pullman and start going, okay? Looking forward to working with you all summer. Thank you.
Thanks. All right. Okay, communications through the summer. You will get some emails. Some emails will come from your program coordinator, the person in charge of your, if it's the tools program or the Geron technology program, you'll get emails from them. You'll also get some emails from Abhishek at ug.research. Reminding you of when your abstracts are due or when the brown bags are, things like that. We also have a Facebook group, which is a private, so it's a closed group. So you have to join and we will accept you if you're actually one of the summer researchers or faculty staff. So the next slide will have instructions on how to do that. We also offer a texting service. So again, next slide will show you how to sign up for texting, and I'll give you a chance to do that. And we'll we'll send out text alerts, brown bag today at 12, Dr. Holder speaking or whoever. And then we have the website, the summer calendar website, where you can always go and see what's coming, what the schedule looks like for the summer. And we'll also be posting recordings of workshops. So this orientation, once we get it closed captioned and checked for QA, will be posted on that website. So some of you aren't here yet. We've got some folks that are starting next week and they aren't here yet. So they'll be able to watch this orientation once they get here and get over their jet lag. So the first picture here, this is a screenshot of our Summer Undergraduate Research website. So this link, Summer in Pullman, will take you to a list of things to do, places to go, things to do, things to see, and links to those opportunities. Summer programs is a list of all the different programs I talked about, the disease tools program, the atmospheric chemistry program, the NARASURE, so you can get a little more information about each one of the programs. This link down here will have all the details you need for the end of the summer poster symposium. It's not up to date right now, but it will be soon. And then the summer research events, this is your calendar right here. This is where you need to go to find out who's speaking at the next brown bag, when the graduate symposium information session is, etc., things like that. So that's your go-to for calendar events. Okay, this is our Facebook page. So if you just search for Summer Research, WSU Summer Research 2018, and if you want to do this right now, you're welcome to. Find the Facebook group and click on the join button, and it'll shoot a message to Abhishek and I, who are administrators of that site, and we will make sure that you're actually one of us and accept you, and you can join the site. And the Facebook site is a great place for you guys to post things like, hey, I want to go to Moscow on Saturday. Anybody else want to go? I need a car. Or, hey, I've got a car and I'm heading to Moscow and I got room for 3. Anybody want to go? Right? Or, hey, anybody want to hit the grocery store? I need to go to Dismore's. Anybody want to go with? So it's also, I don't know, are they still doing the $2 scoop Tuesdays at Scoops? No, they don't do that anymore. Or you could say, hey, anybody want to go to Ferdinand's to get ice cream? Let's meet at 4 and go to Ferdinand's. So things like that are perfect for the Facebook group. I'll try to populate it with other stuff that's happening in the summer. Like, hey, there's a summer concert park series down in Rene every Thursday or whenever they are. We can post those kinds of events. So you guys can all help let each other know about what's going on in summer, and we can post stuff that us locals. So all the WSU Cougars that introduced themselves, you guys have been here a lot longer. You know what's fun to do in Pullman. So if there's things that you can think of that these guys need to do, post it on the Facebook group so they get exposed to that. Legal things. All right. Okay, this is it's called Remind. So if you want to get your phones out and subscribe to this, all this information is also on the events page on their website. So if you don't have your phone with you or you don't want to do it right now, you can do it later. But if you text at WSU 218 and you send that to 81010, it'll subscribe you to our text alert notification system, and we'll push out email or text messages about upcoming events. And this texting will be more or less business things, right? This will be, there's a seminar, there's a workshop, there's a brown bag. This is not going to be, hey, check out the concert down at Rene Park. We're going to save those for the Facebook site, and we're going to save the texting site for business related things. Make sense? And for those of you remote, these brown bags are open for you as well. There's going to be Zoom connections for all of these brown bags and workshops. So you guys are more than welcome to connect via Zoom for all of these workshops as well. Okay, so that concludes what I have to cover. Are there any questions, or let's just take some questions first before we split up, and then I want to do a group photo. But are there any questions? Yes.
Is there going to be other times here at WSU where like all the undergraduate research like students or whatever are going to meet up again, like, or is it just like on their own?
There really isn't a coordinated event for all summer undergraduate researchers to meet except for August 3rd, the end of the summer. So in the past, if you guys are motivated and want to, in the past, the houses have challenged each other to certain things like it was a wiffle ball one year. Sigma Nu competed against PKT in wiffle ball. So if you want to do that, you're welcome to organize or coordinate that. I know in years past, some people have put together intramural teams through WSU Rec Center. They have intramurals throughout the summer. So you could put together a soccer team and do intramural soccer, things like that. So there's opportunities, but they're really, I will not be coordinating anything for the entire group other than the end of the summer poster symposium. Any other questions? Any questions from our virtual remote participants? Okay, so at this point, I'd like for us, yes, Nahal. Yeah. So the question was about the campus tour or the Cougar Card Center. So what I'd like to propose at this point is that when I let you know, when we say go, the first thing will be, let's go out and take a group photo, and it's nice to get outside. So if you stand up and wave, you'll be taking the picture. So I'm just thinking outside on the steps. Yeah. Makes it nice. We can stagger and get all group photo. After the group photo, I would like to meet with the REACH, the NARA, and the LAR students. So if those three groups could all hang out and meet, we can meet out in the lobby, find a corner. Nahal, you wanted to meet with the tools people. So you be in one corner of the atrium, I'll be in the other corner. Jason and Aaron, do you guys need to meet with your group or? Okay. Okay, outside the doors of 209? Oh, outside the queue. Okay, so all the people in the GSER program and Jaren Technology, or just GSER? I mean, just Smart Environments or just GSER? So Smart Environments and GSER meet up with those two outside where the group photo is. So, and then after that is over, are there a couple WSU folks that would be willing to lead everybody up to the Cougar Card Center in the Cub? Yeah, thank you. All right, so meet back in the atrium. In probably, group photo will take 10 minutes. Meet up with your individual group for 5 to 10 minutes. So maybe it's 10 o'clock now, maybe about 10:20, 10:30. Meet back in the atrium and look for the Cougar folks with their hands up, and they can take you up to get your Cougar card. How many people have their Cougar card already? Oh, that's good. So those of you that don't have a Cougar card, you can walk up to the center. And you need your student ID number, right, to get that? So if you don't know it, find out what your Cougar card student ID number is. Question?
For those that are already students at WSU, should we wait around until everything's done? Is there going to be something afterwards?
That's going to conclude our program. So once we do group photo, once you guys eat the rest of the food that's out there, and we meet up with our individual program coordinators, and then the folks that want to go up to the Cougar Card Center and get their cards. That's the end of the program. So yeah. And if the WSU students want to do a brief campus tour on the way up to the Cub, that would be awesome. Does that sound good? Any other questions or?
Shelly, this is Vic.
Yes, Vic.
Who's the NARA Shore coordinator? So, I will pass on to you info about our, what do you call it, field trips and so forth. But I was wondering, is there anybody else that I need to keep in the loop?
So that's me. So we can
You,
correspond via email. Yep.
Thanks.
Thank you. Okay, I think that's it. So go grab some more food and go straight for the photo now. Thanks everybody and welcome.
Thanks, Shelly.
Bye. Thanks, Vic. Thanks, Taylor and Amy and Bert and Doug. Did I get everybody? Bye, guys.
Bye.
Okay, stop recording.